Now, the more formal way of doing this is to deal with the conditional probability actual formula. And here it is here. It looks quite complicated, but it's not. It's just, if we read the question, we want to know what the probability that if a person is happy, they left their job. So given that they're happy, they left their job. So this is how this reads here. The probability that L given H. That L, and we're making L that they left their job, and H that they're happy. So the probability that they left given that they were happy. And we come to learn that the formula looks like this. This is the probability that they left and are happy divided by the probability that they're happy. Now you can work these all out, and you can do all these calculations by simply working through your table here that you have. The tricky part of this becomes finding this. It's very similar to what we had problem here, is that we've got to find the probability that that they left and were happy. So we're basically trying to get this. And in order to do that, basically we know that these two branches collectively give you 0.14. So to find the probability of L given H, basically what you want to do is take the 0.14 and minus from that this branch here, which is the not happy people, basically, the not happy, and that left their job, and left. Because if you subtract that from the 0.14, what you're left is this probability here, this whole branch here. That's what you're going to be left with. And that will enable us to fill in the value for this. So let's work it out. 0.14 minus, and it's just 0.34 times 0.36. So that's the calculation that will give you this. It will give you this value times this value, which we don't actually know at this point. But if we work backwards, 0.14 subtract that will give us that branch. So now we just do this calculation, 0.14, the percentage that people left minus this branch here, which is that they're unhappy and have left, and that will leave us with the branch, the probability that people were happy and left their jobs. And that's going to give us, if we work it out, 0.0176, I believe. Now it's just easy. Now let's just fill this in. So we've done this. We found the probability that they left and were happy is 0.0176, and we divide that by the probability that they're happy, which is 0.66, and when we do that, we're going to get the exact same answer as we got 666 repeating, so 0.027, the probability of around 2.7% or whatever are going to, that they're happy and then that they left their job.